Dire-diretso. Keji, layup is good. 10 yan. Here's Keji Boy. Keji Boy. Kapamigay yun dyan. Layup is... Here's Keji. 3-on-1 pass break. Keji Boy. Kumito. Layup is good. Here's JL to Keji Boy. Keji Boy siya na matitira. Bang! Ito na si Stacy. To Keji. Layup is good. Tabla na Stacy. To Keji Boy for the lead. Stacy to Keji Boy. Keji Boy. Yes, by Keji Boy. Ito na. Match up. Ito na 3-pointer. 5. Rebound. Papalating na nakuha ni Keji Boy. My boy. Ay, Keji Boy. Pamatagay. Stacy. Ay, sobra. Keji Boy. JL Kagotas. Layup is good. First free throw para kay Keji Boy is good. Second free throw. Yeah. Nagkuha ni JL. Pasa kay Keji Boy. Shooting shot. Yes, by Keji. Ayaw pa rin. Paliguli kay Keji. Layup is good. Ito na si Keji Tatsia.
Natuwa ka, kalim panalo mo kayo.
First free throw. It's good.
Tapos nasa unahan, unspoiled yun.
It's good. Ito na si
Dead ball.
Keji Boy. Okay, Keji Boy, yes. Casey. Oh, si Keji Boy. Foul.
Lugaw. Lugaw.
First free throw. It's good.
Lugaw.
Para kay Keji Boy. Go, good. Boy, go. Para kay Keji Boy. First. Yay. Second free throw. Keji Boy. Yes.